Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can add a menu to your Elementor website. The first thing you have to do, you have to go to Appearance, scroll down, look for Appearance, then Customize. Open in a new tab. Once you have opened the new tab, there is an option of menus. Click on it. There is this option here, Create New Menu. Click on it. Name your menu. For example, I can say this is a mobile menu. Click next. Add items. So now these items are the pages you already created, which are already in your website. So just come here and select according to the way you need to create them. For example, start with the home page. Look for another page, about us, partners, careers, news, blog, etc. So if these are the pages you need, click update. So here, so in case you need to add the drop downs, you just come and click on a page, for example, culture global, snap that. Then after, click reorder, move this one like this. Then this one will be a drop down. When you create your menu and you hover on this one, it will drop down to show this. So once you have done like that, you are done with creating. Or the other way you can create it is you to come to the dashboard, then move on appearance, then click on menus, or you open in a new tab. Once you have opened in a new tab, click here to create a new menu. Click there, you create a new menu like tab menu. Then you create. After creating, it will give you an option like this. So it will ask you to select pages from here you need to add to your menu. For example, come to view all pages. Start with about us. Here it allows you to select the pages you need. Then after selecting them, you click add. If you need to add all the pages, just select all. If you need to select just pages you need, you have to click on each page. Then you add to menu. Click here. Then your pages will be here. Then you'll be able to rearrange by dragging this one and putting it on top, followed by this one. Maybe you want this one to be the next, the third. Maybe this one you want to be a drop down like that. So it will be like that. Then you save. So that's how you can create your menu. So in case you need to create, like to add it to your website, come to templates, click on the theme builder. When you are under theme builder, click header. If you do not want to use this header, you click add a new header. Once you click on a new header, it will be something like this. So now here, come and add section, because we shall need a logo, menu, and a button. Add 3 options like that. The first one here, put an image and select logo you need to use. For example, we shall use this one, resize it, set to the left, add the link to custom, then click update. You can add the conditions here, either the entire site, then you save. Drag this one a bit this way. This one also drag it this way. Now here in the middle, you look for the site. So here we shall have the menu. For example, this one here. Drag it and put there. Set this to the middle. So it will look like that. So remember, we had created our menus. One was called the tab menu, then the other one was called mobile menu. Come and search it here. We have tab menu and mobile menu. Let us try and see mobile menu. This is how it displays. So you can adjust. It has even the drop down I was talking about. The second one, if you do not need that one, you come and look for tab menu. It will appear here. It has a drop down here too. After that, update and you style your menu. Here you can add the button, either contact us button. So that's how you can create your menu. Add the menu from menus and set it up, then publish. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.